Hi, it's Amanda. Welcome to my channel. I'm here with my customary ingredients review as I prepare to kick off the next brand in my BOB 123 series. That's Black-owned brands only, 3 wash day reviews, 3 styles, 3 company and or founder facts per video. I'm excited to be reviewing Renewed Queen Essentials next, and let's get into these ingredients. The general theme for this review will be pretty much what I have not covered previously. I've talked about so many ingredients in various videos at this point, so in reviewing the ingredients across this particular collection, where I found gaps in my own knowledge or in ingredients that I've shared with you previously, I targeted those. Just to note as an aside, I'm also looking into ways of compressing all of the information I've been sharing into one consumable location on my website. I'm not sure yet how to deliver, so stay tuned for updates. The ingredients throughout this collection are largely oil-based, so I decided to cover oils mostly in this video. First up is Kupuasu Butter. Kupuasu Butter has a high fatty acid content. This in turn can stimulate the hair follicles, combat dandruff and dry scalp, and increase the amount of shine in the hair. This ingredient also has a notable ability to carry and to seal in moisture from water deep into the hair strand for longer periods of time, increasing the longevity pretty much of the moisture in your hair. It can also aid to increase the elasticity and durability of the hair strand, and also it can decrease the damaging effects of dyeing your hair chemically by helping aid against protein loss. Number 2 is lavender oil. This can stimulate hair growth when massaged into the scalp with potential to aid against both pattern baldness and alopecia. To note though, this has only been proven in rats so far, so if you happen to function like a rat, give it a shot. Lavender oil is also antimicrobial against both fungus and bacteria, preventing both itchy scalp and dandruff. It can also curb skin inflammation, not to mention it's also known for its natural calming effects and its nice fragrance. Number 3, rose oil. Rose oil treats irritated scalp and strengthens the hair, combats hair loss, and can make the roots stronger. It is highly recommended to massage this oil into your scalp to reap those benefits. Number 4, babasu oil. This is packed with both antioxidants and healthy fats, and is also anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. It is also moisturizing, but also lightweight and non-greasy. Number 5, jojoba oil. This is rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatories. Also though, interestingly, it has the same molecular structure and composition of sebum, the substance that your scalp naturally secretes to moisturize your hair. Sebum naturally coats your hair strands, but with the coily structures in type 4 and 3 curly hair, it can't get everywhere because it's harder for it to travel down the hair shaft. So jojoba oil is a great assistance in this situation, filling in where the sebum doesn't. Number 6 is honey. Simple ingredient, but I don't think I've ever talked about it before. It's both an emollient and a humectant. A humectant draws in moisture from your environment to your hair. It moisturizes hair, locks in shine, and also helps your hair to restore its natural luster. Number 7, glycerin, is a well-known humectant as well, helping to moisturize dry hair by drawing in moisture from the environment. Also works to reduce dryness, frizziness, and breakage. However, many people do not react well to glycerin, so if you're one of those people, it can have the opposite effect. Some people's hair otherwise reacts quite well to glycerin. Number 8 is xantham gum. This helps with viscosity, creating thick and stable creamy products, and it helps as an emulsifier, which helps prevent separation of oil ingredients. So that was the last ingredient. I'm trying to keep these lists short, consumable, and not boring, and if I keep going, you'll get pretty bored. My first review of this collection will be out Tuesday the 16th, so be sure to tune in. Meanwhile, if you already use and love this collection, you can get 10% off at checkout using the code AMANDA10. Just to note, Renewed Queen Essentials products will be in my database very shortly if they are not by the time this video goes out, so be sure to check them out if they come up in your search. That brings me to the end of this video. If you like my content and haven't done so already, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Thanks, and have a good one.